First, let's learn the pronunciation. The letter O has an ah sound, as in the words rock and not. Novel has 2 syllables, and the stress is on the first one. Novel. Novel can be a noun, referring to a long book of fiction. Fiction means the story is imaginary. It's not a true story. We often divide literature into the following categories. We have nonfiction books, which are true facts, short stories, which are fiction, they are imaginary, but they are also short. Then we have novels. Novels are also imaginary stories, but they are longer works. And poetry, which consists of poems. The word novel is also an adjective, describing something that is new, unusual, different, and somewhat surprising. For example, this is a novel approach to the issue. They came up with a novel idea to solve an age-old problem. An age-old problem is a problem that has existed for a very long time, and in this sentence, they came up with a novel idea to solve it. A novel idea is an idea that's new and different and somewhat surprising in a good way.